Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Swathi. Today we are going to see how to do facial with only two ingredients, that is tomato and sugar. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. So let's get started. In facial, exfoliating is a very important step. Exfoliating the face will give bright, smooth and glowing skin. Exfoliating scrub primarily removes the dead skin cells. If the dead skin cells are not removed, the skin looks sluggish and uneven in color and also will feel rough. So by exfoliating regularly, blood flow is increased and also it gives youthful appearance with fresh cells visible. The combination of sugar and tomato makes extremely effective facial scrub. Sugar helps in removing the dead skin cells and regenerating fresh new ones. Tomatoes are extremely rich in antioxidants lycopene. When combined with the sugar, the tomato pulp is crushed, so more lycopene is released and the new skin will absorb antioxidants faster, eliminating free radicals that harm the skin. This facial scrub will also help diminish fine lines and wrinkles around the forehead, eyes and mouth. So this is very beneficial for face. Weekly once or twice, you can definitely try this. The most important step after facial is moisturizing. This will rehydrate the skin and bring nourishment to the newly regenerated cells. I hope this video was useful. Please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.